In this video lesson, you'll discover what complementary contrast is and how to use it in watercolor painting.
On the color circle, there are 6 pairs of opposing colors. For example, yellow and violet, red and green, blue and orange, and so on. Any diametrically opposite colors on the wheel are called complementary. There are 12 different colors on our color circle, so we have 6 complementary pairs. You may note that the first 3 pairs, yellow and violet, red and green, and blue and orange, each contain 1 primary and 1 secondary color. When it comes to the remaining 3 diagrams, each complementary pair consists of 2 tertiary colors. It is interesting that all 6 diagrams, one way or another, contain all 3 primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. Let's examine how it works with the example of the first diagram, which has 2 complementary colors, yellow and violet. Yellow is the primary color. However, violet is the result of mixing blue and red. Therefore, this diagram contains all of the 3 primary colors, which are, of course, yellow, blue, and red.